We're now entering the second week of the trial of former Uvalde CISD officer Adrian Gonzales in Corpus Christi. Now, in just a couple of hours, jurors could see and hear some of the most critical evidence yet in the trial. Former school police officer Adrian Gonzales is facing 29 counts of child endangerment. Today, prosecutors may call responding officers to the stand, and jurors could hear that dispatch audio and see body camera video from inside the response that day. From a mistrial hearing to emotional testimony, Raina Kaur brings us a recap of what has happened so far.
It's a historic case, as Adrian Gonzales is the first officer in Texas to face such charges.
9-year-old Eliana Garcia's mom, Jennifer Garcia, took the stand as the last witness Friday.
I want to say we were the second, third to last parents. At the end of the day, about 9-10 to find out that one of our children was one of the deceased.
Her emotional recount marking the end of a tough first week. Adrian Gonzales, a former Uvalde CISD police officer, was one of the first on scene on May 24, 2022, when a gunman shot and killed 19 students and 2 teachers at Robb Elementary School. He pleaded not guilty to 29 felony counts of child abandonment or endangerment. Prosecution believes Gonzales' actions failed the victims.
That gunman then walks down the hallway, gets to room 111 and 112, the entryway, and fires in the neighborhood of 20 shots in the hallway. And Adrian Gonzales remains.
Defense argues Gonzales did what he could
to get this information, understand it, communicate it, figure it out, and it's about what, and also protect himself and the teacher. I mean, he's trying to make sure that both of them are not being shot at because they don't know. That's 1 minute of time. This isn't a man waiting around. This isn't a man failing to act.
After a day of testimony, the case almost ended in a mistrial due to new claims in a teacher's statement at the stand. Judge Sid Harrell eventually ruling that teacher's testimony would be excluded. Teachers also took the stand, mapping out the shooter's movements from that day.
As he was shooting through the window, and the kids were directly across, and I thought I made the worst mistake I had ever made.
Law enforcement who processed the scene explained where the bullets came from before entering the classrooms. The defense maintains Gonzales never saw the shooter. Prosecutors aim to convince jurors that Gonzales' inaction that day placed children's lives in danger. Jurors will have to decide whether this alleged inaction rises to the level of a crime.
I'll be in Corpus Christi this week covering the trial. You can follow along with our coverage on air and online.
And we are providing that gavel-to-gavel coverage for you on CBS 19 Plus right now. Throughout the trial, reporters from across Texas and a panel of legal experts will walk us through the evidence presented in the case. And we'll also be offering analysis that you won't find anywhere else. Download CBS 19 Plus on your smart TV.